Wow, we look so festive today with the tree in the background. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 15. I just finished exporting Vlogmas Day 14, and that is going to get scheduled. It is December 14th, so like I said before, I've been scheduling and uploading them on the same day, or editing and scheduling them on the same day. So yeah, it's 8:52. I'm glad that I got that done. That was a pretty short vlog. It's a really rainy day today. We are actually supposed to be getting a storm coming this Wednesday. I think it's supposed to hit here in Philly, so an actual snowstorm. So it's been nice the past 2 days, and I think a cold front's coming through now, and I believe it's back down to the 30s. I have a lot of planning going on today for the week. I think I'm gonna take you guys through how I stay organized for doing social media work and everything like that. So I'm going to try and take you guys through some of the things that I do and just keep you updated throughout the day. And then later on tonight, I'm pretty sure we as in me, go to King of Prussia again, because I want to do some Christmas shopping. And yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of just in the mood to do that, so I think my schedule might allow for it. I'm already on top of my game today, so that's good. But anywho, like I said, it's 8:50. I just got done editing and scheduling that vlog that's gonna go live today, and now I'm just going to answer some quick emails, and then after that, I'll schedule out my Instagram post for the day with all the necessary hashtags and stuff like that, and then I'll do my pins for Pinterest, and then my like to know it posts for the day. So I do all of that in the morning, and I use the app later. I do it on my desktop, but they also have an app, and it's an absolute lifesaver. I mean, there's so many different softwares that you can use as if you're a social media manager, if you're an influencer, whatever you are, if you have a business and you are just looking to save yourself some time and schedule out some posts. Later is a subscription. I pay $19 a month for it. It helps you get analytics and sees everything all in one software platform. And then it allows you to connect a few different social media platforms so that you can schedule content on. It's just super convenient and is such a lifesaver. So I highly recommend. There are so many different softwares out there, but Later has been the one that I've personally loved the most. Also on Later's website, I'm just going on a ramble now, but on Later's website they actually have a blog with a ton of posts on there with such amazing resources. In class last year, back when I really started getting more into social media, I would sit in class and research all of the blogs and try and learn all of the tips and tricks for social media, different platforms, how to navigate, how to schedule, all of everything that I could possibly look up and research, I did. So if you're just starting, Later is such a good resource to use. Seriously, highly recommend. I also want to share that I promised I would tell you about the Nespresso pods that I just got, the new ones, and this is the caramel cookie. It is really good. I was expecting their pods to be their sweeter pods to be sweet, but they honestly just have a slight hint of caramel to them. It's not sweet, it's not overwhelming, which I really love and appreciate, because you still get the coffee aspect, and for me, I drink coffee for the taste more so, and the ritual that I have, and I don't know, I just love to start my day off with it, but I love that it's not too sweet. So if you're into super sweet drinks and aren't really into the coffee taste, I think I drank these black, so you probably would need to add some like oat milk or something like that, maybe some syrups to them. I think that would be really good, but I personally just like drinking them black, so. But it's good, it's really good. Wow, I do have to say, today ought to be a good day so far. Things are just going swimmingly well so far, so I am very grateful for that. I've done a lot this morning, and now I have a full hour of nothing scheduled, quote unquote, like according to my schedule. I don't have anything going on, so I can like get ahead on other things, which is really nice, and I don't have to worry, so. Oh, I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys quick. So just some like PR products that I recently got in. You probably know, if you follow me on my Instagram, I'm a Liquid IV stan. Those people I know absolutely love it. They sent me a restock of the hydration multiplier in the apple pie flavor, which is so good, but I will say that I would guarantee most people, or not most people, but it's like you either love it or you hate it. And for me, I personally love it, but I'm sure there are some out there that would hate it. But I don't know how anyone could hate this one, which is the strawberry. It's my favorite. I have a Liquid IV stash down here. So I have a lot of it, but I give it to my friends and fam too, but I'm almost out of the strawberry, so I'm glad, because I love it so much. And that's the one that I like hand out to everyone because I freaking love it, and everyone else deserves to try some too. So I got a restock of these two. I do have a discount code for 20% off your purchase, or I think it's 25. I think it's 25% off your purchase, which I'll have in the description box below. So check that out. Literally everyone loves it and raves about the products. So love that. And then from one of my favorite skincare and body care brands, Kopari, they sent over their lip glossy, which I put on last night, and it is, well, actually I put some on now. I like by accident squirted like half the tube out by accident last night, but because it comes out fast, but it's just like extremely glossy and it smells incredible. And then they sent a little sample of their Coconut Crush scrub, which I use in the shower weekly, and it's amazing. So if you are looking for any last minute gift ideas for someone, and you're looking for something that like they'll love, affordable, Kopari is amazing. You can get it at, I'm pretty sure, Ulta, Sephora, and on their website, of course. Would recommend getting some Kopari products. I do have a discount code for them actually too, which I'll have in the description box below. You can only use the discount code on the website though, on Kopari's website. And then lastly, I have some perfumes, which are from, I'm not sure if I'm gonna say this right, Soli Notes. They're made in France, and they're an affordable perfume brand, but they actually are sold at Target. So I'm pretty sure when I was looking for some gift ideas, they had like gift sets with these perfumes in them. So if they do, either way, I'll link them down below for you. Affordable, great gift idea, but yeah, they sent over a cute little note, a rose scent, their musk scent, and their vanilla scent. So these are all really amazing. I've smelled them all, and I feel like there's a perfume in their collection for everyone. Very affordable, you know the deal. So I'll have all of these things listed down below with the discount codes and everything. Cooking up some lunch, and I don't really have anything made, so I'm making my avocado toast, but I wanted to actually show you guys how I make it. So I have 2 eggs going here with some olive oil, and then the seasoned salt and pink salt on the eggs. I have my miche sourdough bread toasting in the toaster, and then we have whole avocado. Don't really think this one is too ripe right now, but it'll work. We got our 2 pieces of bread. Then we mash the avocado on our toast. We're gonna take our red pepper flakes and do a generous amount. And then I think the key ingredient here is truly the Tastefully Simple seasoned salt, but then we're gonna do some everything but the bagel salt on the toast. And then some arugula, a pretty big bed of arugula. I love the taste that it brings. Okay, can I do this without breaking the egg? Nope, she's broken. What about this one? Okay, that one looks 10 times better. This is how you make it. We are right on track today, which is freaking amazing. So I just posted about a giveaway, which it will still be going on. I'll be posting about it every day until we announce the winner this Friday the 18th. But if you are located in or around the Philadelphia area, a bunch of Philly bloggers are getting together to give away a $100 gift card to a local Philly spot of your choice, which is awesome because we get the opportunity to help out a small business, but also then help out someone that might be in need. So yeah, that's going on right now, so you can head over to my Instagram. We're hosting it over there. Anywho, I am going to get to scheduling my content for the week. I literally set Mondays up for this purpose of scheduling all of my content out for the week, and guys, it rarely ever happens. I don't even remember the last time that this actually happened, because if I do not have all of my content for the week starting on Monday, it usually screws everything up then, and I get so backed up with work that it just never even happens. So for once, I actually have everything all ready to go, and I'm making the time to do it, so it's gonna happen. So again, I'm going to go in and schedule each individual platform by platform. So first, I'm probably going to start off with Pinterest because that's super easy, and I'm going to be doing this all through later, so it's super convenient. It'll make my life so much easier because 9 out of 10 times in the morning, I usually spend the first 4 hours of my morning and of my work day scheduling content for that day, and that's 4 hours of my day that is being taken up by things that I could do all in one day ahead of time, and then it allows me to do something more productive that day instead. So we are on the road to success for this week if I start it now. How beautiful does this look? A whole scheduled out Pinterest board for the week, except for I just need to fill 4 more spots here tomorrow, or whenever really, but this is looking beautiful. And I have also my little candle going over here. How cute. This is such a great smelling candle from Bath & Body Works. But now we move on to Instagram, which is a lot more detailed. And this is what the finished result looks like. I did not go into depth about with the captions or didn't add hashtags or anything, but this is all the Instagram content for the week. I did not do TikTok. Like I said, I didn't do the captions or hashtags for any of these, but it is 3 o'clock and I might come back to this later on, but I honestly am I'm sitting very well for this week and for the day, so I think I might get ready and head to King of Prussia because I want to do some Christmas shopping in person. I basically want to go because I want to potentially get a new perfume, but the 2 perfumes I have my eye on, I want to smell in person because I've never smelled them before, so I don't want to take that leap without smelling them in person. So that's the main reason why I'm going, but yeah, I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna get ready and then head out the door. Oh, it's a gloomy, rainy day because the storm is coming in, so I am just wearing my Converse and then my set from Petal and Pup, and then this jacket from Petal and Pup too. Yeah, I don't know, I look a mess, but I'll have a mask on so you can't see anyway. So we're gonna head out. The mall is absolutely dead right now, which is beautiful because then I have it all to myself. So it works out, but it's dead and I'm loving it. I think I might go get Starbucks now because what's a holiday shopping trip without Starbucks? Seriously. Alright, I am back from the mall. I look like a mess because, well, I look like a mess. I will show you, well, I won't show you what I got because it's part of my Christmas presents. I've been buying my own Christmas presents, but I basically just got a refill of my face powder from Sephora, and then Aerie, of course, always has like deals. So I got, what did I get? 6 pairs of underwear for like $30 or something, and then I got a few bralettes that were like 40% off. So I went to Wegmans. It's supposed to storm this week, like I said, and I really want some hot chocolate here, so I got some hot chocolate packets to make hot chocolate. And Dom is also coming tomorrow, just for like one night because of something work related. So I also got some marshmallows for the hot chocolate, you know. But anyway, also, since I was showing you guys PR today, I got Four Sigmatic. They're a pretty cool brand. And they sent over their plant-based protein, and it's their peanut butter flavor, which I'm very excited to try. Ingredients are very simple. It's organic peanut protein flour, organic coconut palm sugar, organic yukon juice powder, which I don't know what that is, pink salt, monk fruit extract, and yeah, that's basically it. That's really freaking amazing ingredients right there. I haven't cooked here in so long. Wow, late start to the evening of putting my Christmas tree lights on. Better late than never though. My beautiful, beautiful tree. We love her. She's stunning. Now to clean up the glorious mess. Dinner was beautiful, by the way. Lovely, amazing, so great. Stir fry, you can never go wrong. No, I do not make it with rice. I make it with broccoli slaw instead of rice and shredded chicken, and it's just delicious. So it is actually the next day, but I forgot to end off the vlog last night, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already.